Hello, I'm Tees and I'm going to be the instructor for this class. I use this kind of generic introduction to all of my classes. I teach a number of different courses, from introductory classes in the Adobe Creative Suites, Computer Art 1, Graphic Design 1, Typography, Color Theory, and even advanced design classes at University Center. So the likelihood is that if you are going to be taking any of the graphic design classes here, you will come across me at some point in your creative journey. This is an introduction to Computer Art 1. This is an introduction to Graphic Design 1. This is an introduction to Art 190, Professional Practices, combined with Graphic Design 100. Computer Art 1. You'll come to find that I dislike the name of this class, as I consider it somewhat misleading. Yes, we use computers, and it is within the realm of art, but I'm here to teach you a lot more than just those things. I'm here to teach you how to think. We will be using Adobe Photoshop, Illustrator, and InDesign. If you need any help with any of these apps or are unfamiliar with them, don't panic. Please see me after the class and I'll see what I can do to help you out. Graphic Design 1. By this point, you should be pretty familiar with graphic design tools and be somewhat proficient with Adobe Photoshop, Illustrator, and InDesign. We will be using those apps for the coming assignments. We may also get into Adobe Premiere Pro, Panopto, and at some web development tools like Figma. More on that as the assignments roll out. Art 190 and Graphic Design 100. This is a unique set of classes where Professional Practices Art 190 overlaps with Graphic Design 100, or GRA 100, which centers on digital design tools. This means that you are enrolled in both classes and are taking them both at the same time. Sometimes some of these projects from these classes overlap. Be sure to look at the weekly assignments in both classes. This should help you to figure out how they both work together. I'll be demoing one here shortly to help you understand how this all works, so be watching for that. Generic intro. Now, when you're in college, it's not so much the assignments that you do and or the grades that you receive for them, it's how you learn. Very little of what I learned in my undergraduate classes is anything that I use today. Most of what I know, have come to employ, has come from working on a lot of jobs and doing a lot of different things. So my emphasis will be on how you learn, rather than having you demonstrate your proficiency and dotting all of the I's and crossing the T's, if you catch my drift. On each of these projects that you're working on in this class, I want to see how you learn. The following is a video that shows you something about myself. So then, I hope this helps to explain where my background comes in and how it relates to what you maybe want to do. It will at least give you some idea of how I would like you to talk about yourself, where you're coming from, and what it is that you want to do with this class, which is where the first assignment is. All for now. I'll see you in the next video. Ciao!